Hello everyone, I'm Saldalia for Adorama TV, and this is an hands-on video on the ZV-1 Mark II. The ZV-1 has been a bestseller for content creators, so Sony decided to give it a massive upgrade. Let's go through some of the new features. Among the new upgrades, it stands out the new touchscreen and the brand new lens. So instead of the regular 24-70, now you have a wider lens, 18 to 50 millimeters. It's an f1.8 to 4. You have a brand new 1-inch Exmor RS sensor, which gives you large bokeh and high sensitivity. You can shoot in 4K up to 30 frames per second, and Full HD up to 120 frames per second. You have electronic image stabilization and fast autofocus, by using real-time IR focus for both human and animals. You have a product showcase switch, which is great if you do a lot of vlogging with products. The ZV-1 Mark II has a USB-C port, which is great because if you use it as a webcam or for live streaming, you can now do everything through that port. If you watch my video about the ZV-E1, some of that technology ended up being in this ZV-1 Mark II. Like for example the 3-capsule microphone with changeable directivity, which I think is a great feature for vloggers, because now you can just focus on your voice while you're talking to camera. You also have a great feature in the cinematic vlog, which makes your footage automatically cinematic and can give many different flavors. My favorite, for example, is the mono, because I love that black and white cinematic vibe. Another detail that can look small but it's very important is that in the old version, the grip needed to be removed to replace the battery. So Sony moved the Q20 thread to the side so you can keep the grip and change the battery at the same time. The camera is also great for photos. You can shoot 20 megapixel photos, RAW and JPEG. Overall, I think Sony gave a massive upgrade to a camera that was already very famous between content creators. So in the range of under $1,000, this is definitely the best camera for vloggers. Thank you so much Sony for letting me use the camera. If you have any question, please leave a comment below, subscribe to Adorama TV, and I'll see you next time.